I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I'm just so happy. I couldn't contain it. This is Jai and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do unboxing of my Christmas presents, which I received from my friends and close friends here in Japan last week or 2 weeks ago. I was pretty overwhelmed receiving all of these gifts here because these are unexpected, and I'm very excited to see what's inside all of these. Okay, so now we're gonna do unboxing. Saan ba ako magsisimula? Okay, maybe I'm gonna start with the smallest one. Okay, so actually this has like a letter, like Dear Jai. Let's read, or let's see what's inside. Baka may cash. Wala, ito lang. Alright, there you go. That's the greeting card. Dear Jai, Merry Christmas. Wishing you peace, joy, and happiness in the new year with a thankful heart. Ta-dang! So actually, I got this one from our bossing here. Yeah, salamat boss. Naghihintay ko sa may cash, wala. Just joking. Oh, look at that. Thank you po. Thank you bossing for this. This is so cute. Okay. So this is the first one. And now let's go to the next one. Okay, for the next one, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, let's see. Oh. Oh, wow. This is a soothing mask. Sika Daily Soothing Mask. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Sika plus Hyalon. I don't know how to read this one. This is from Cosme. And VT Cosmetics. This is from VT Cosmetics. I think it's Korean. Yeah. Alright, let's see what's inside. There you go. This is how it looks like. Let's try to open it. Oh, look at that. Meron siyang parang puller. Puller yung tawag natin doon, di ba? I think this is how, or this is how you're gonna use if you're gonna pick the mask out of here to, you know, para hindi mahaluan ng dumi yung nasa loob kayo. Wow! So sure, no? I haven't tried using this one before. Actually, napakabango niya. Yeah, so... And then this is already good for 1 month because it has like 30 sheets inside. So good for 1 month. I love it. Thank you so much, my Korean friend Junggayo. Thank you for this face mask. I'm gonna use it every day. Alright, so that was the second. Now let's go on to the third one. Okay, so this one's finished. Oh, natanggal. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're gonna do this one. So this is the third gift, and what's inside is ta-da! Oops. Dang! Wow! It's a Finest Belgian chocolates, or Fiends chocolates. I don't know how to read this one, but it's a Belgian chocolate. Yes, may ribbon pa siya. Let's open it and let's see what's inside. Oh my. Look at that. Oh, so yummy. So cute, right? Smells really good. Yeah. Belgian chocolate. Thank you so much, my Brazilian coworker. Okay, third gift was chocolate. Alright, now let's go on to the fourth one. We're gonna do this one. Okay, so actually naka-wrap siya. So kung napapansin nyo, yung mga wrappers dito is not Santa Claus or Christmas tree or anything about Christmas. Kasi nga here in Japan, Japanese people, they don't celebrate Christmas. Yung mga wrappers or yung mga gifts nila, walang Santa Claus and everything. Just paper bags. Simple and plain, then go. Yun lang. So, huwag ka na mag-expect ng may Santa Claus and everything dyan kasi wala. I'm so sorry. Okay, huwag ka na cut kasi. Look, what's inside. Bam, bam. Parang clothing, you think? Oh, yeah. Oh, these are my favorite. Oh, these are berets. Oh, look at the color. It's so amazing. Yeah, look at that one. No, not like that. It should be like this one. Yeah. So actually, yeah, look at that. Isn't it cute? Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Alright, this one is blue one. Actually, one size. Usually one size in beret. Yeah. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute. I love it. I love berets. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for the berets. Okay. And meron pa. Okay, I got 2 berets. And then... Oh. It's sort of like a light jacket. I don't know. It's cute. Look at that. Look at that. And I love the color. It's beige. Oh, thank you so much for this. She really knows what color I like and what kind of clothing I like. Thank you. Yeah, so our fourth present is clothing. Oh, I'm gonna use the beret. Yeah, for more pictures on Instagram. Okay, now we're left with 2 presents. We're gonna do this one. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Oh, it's inside a box. Parang hirap nitong i-open na, but let's gonna use scissors. Okay, so it's like it read as kakusan. Kakusan. I don't know how to read this one. Let's try to open it. Sisilipin ko muna. Jewelry kaya to? Or money? Or ano? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, it's still back. Not yet. Oh, look at that. Do you have any idea what's this for? Oh, it's a face messenger. Yeah. Oh my god. So nice. Oh my god, look. Actually, hindi siya electric, but you know, this one, these 2 balls here, balls. Yeah, so it will rotate into your eyes like, oh my god. Oh, I didn't expect this. So nice. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. This is a Merry Christmas indeed. Team. Okay, that was our 5th gift. Great. Last but not the least, let's go. Actually, may ribbon siya. Tanggal lang. Kind of heavy. Parang wala namang laman. But medyo mabigat-bigat siya. But let's see what's inside. Are you ready? I'm super excited kasi nga ang laki niya. And I didn't expect to receive this as well. joke. Oh. Bawal kong sumigaw kasi natutulog na yung mga kapitbahay. Baka magrereklamo sila bukas. Oh my God! Wow! It's a vlog starter kit! Wow! Oh my God! I'm gonna open it. Let's see what's inside. Wow! This is unexpected. Yeah. So, iisa-isahin ko to at saka ipapakita ko sa inyo. Alright. Okay, this is the microphone. So it says here like for iPhone. But I think I need a connector. Kasi nga yung iPhone ko is this one. Iba na yung ano niya dito, USB. Tas ito siya. So I think I need a connector. But I'm so happy because my microphone na ako. Maybe I think I can use this one in my camera as well. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, so this is the tripod. So I think, yeah. Actually, I have been using my tripod, but nasira na siya kasi nga I just bought it from Daiso. It's very cheap. So, thank you so much for this. And then it has like a USB connector. I don't know what's this for. And then I think this is for the cell phone clip, like that. Yeah, I think so. And then it also has a small LED light. Yeah, tama ako. LED nga siya. LED light. Oh. Actually, guys, happy ako kasi nga I have been using my smartphone, my iPhone, for taking videos or filming outside. Kasi yung Canon ko na ginagamit ko ngayon, which is very heavy, at saka hindi siya portable. Okay, I'm so happy to have this. Oh my God. This is the best gift ever. I'm just kidding. All of these are like the best gift ever. Oh, look at vlog starter kit. I don't know kung saan niya binili ito, but thank you so much for giving me this one. Actually, naiiyak at natatawa ko ngayon. Kasi nga, alam niyo naman, matagal akong hindi nakapag-upload kasi nga masyado akong busy these days. So, binigyan ako nito. So, I think this is the time na I should do a lot of vlogs or I should film a lot these days. Kasi nga, I have... kasi nga, my vlog starter kit na ako. And this is very handy. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my God. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I'm just so happy. I couldn't contain it. It's very rare and all of these are unexpected. And I'm not used to kasi nga I'm the kind of person who is a giver, not a receiver. You know? But I'm just happy kasi ito pala yung feeling na nabibigyan. Ito pala yung feeling na actually, bawal ako umiyak kasi naka-contact lens ako ngayon. Oh my God. Iba yung feeling na nakaka-receive ka ng gifts from other people unexpectedly. Ito yung feeling eh. Sobrang thankful. You know, like when you receive something from the people whom you least expected, you feel very special, you feel valued, and you feel important. Thank you so much for remembering me. Thank you for all of these. Actually, these are too much. Thank you so much sa mga nagbigay. Thank you so much for all of you. You know who you are. Alam kong ayaw niyong i-mention yung mga names niyo, but I know who you are, guys. Thank you so much for all of these. These are too much, but oh my god, I don't know what to say. So always remember, expensive, cheap, or whatever it is, whatever are they, it's always the thought that counts. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode tonight. So those are the gifts, those are the Christmas gifts I received from my friends, close friends here in Japan. So Happy New Year, and I hope you will have a good one. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye!